Right, today another video on some computer tricks. So first, I'm going to teach you money. This is how it works. Except for what I do. So you do the bunny hop with 2 feet on there. Hold these really tight. As you jump, and the board will just stay on your feet. And then I'm going to show you J-hop. Show you that again. That is just the same as the bunny hop. Just lift the front up first and then jump. And then let the front wheel touch the back wheel. And then I'm just going to show you an old school tail whip. Just like this. To do that, the scooter position anyway, like this foot, and when you're going along, you take this foot off, and then the back foot, you just push it like that, and then jump. So, like that. For more videos, please subscribe down below, and rate and comment. And just subscribe for more videos. Thank you.